Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So here on my channel, what I do basically is to share various offers that will give you opportunity to make money online. So I basically share cryptocurrency events such as airdrops that will literally give you access to mine free currencies and make money online. So here is an awesome opportunity that you can't afford to miss. So this is just one of the rare crypto projects that um recently came up. So and currently it's actually running well, and all you need to do is to start mining early, just like the time we mined core. So Satoshi Core has came, and a lot of people grabbed the opportunity early, and this is a similar project like Satoshi Core, and this one is called CBDC. So as you can see it on my screen here. So and I want to enlighten you on how you can be able to utilize this opportunity. So it's just a project that runs like core, and each section has its block. So the block is what you're seeing right here. So once you register, what you need to do to register is to use the link in the description of this video, and it will take you straight to where you download the app. So once you've installed the app, the next thing you're going to do is to use the referral code that I'll also drop in the description of this video, and likewise uh I will I will actually drop them together so that you will be able to get registered and start mining immediately. So you can see when I scroll down, you see that there are blocks slash node parameters that have been filled up, and these are block rewards that I've received. So you can see them right here. Every single day I come to this app and receive my block. So you don't even need to work hard on here. Just come log in, and you receive your block, and the reward will be issued to you in your balance right here. So you can see that I actually started using this app, and it's running smoothly. So to check out every other details concerning this project, you can click right here on this profile section. You come and you locate this particular notification icon. So they actually dropped a notification here telling you so much about this project and what you don't need to do so to get good access over this project. Now if you scroll down, you see that they also told us something about the worth of this project with time. So you can see that the value of this CBDCs today, the unit price for the CBDC phase will not be open. So it's just a great potential that they are trying to grow the community, so that those who are participating in this free airdrop will actually utilize it. So we are all involved in checking the total number of free transactions. You can expect more real-time news on the number of the certification. So it's just an amazing. So the CBDC plans to open the market from 0. This, look at this guys, just like the opening price, evenly with a 1:1 benchmark USDT. So USD when fully in circulation. So that is why you need to start mining early, so that once this token becomes fully in circulation, you will have enough to convert and be able to use to transact and make money online. So how does this program work? To get more CBDCs, this application requires you to continuously participate in validation to get more DCS. So the validation is to be claiming your reward at each block that comes. So the more verification, the higher the payout. So it's just like the more you claim, the more you grab and hold this token. So you don't have to keep the app open, and CBDCs don't over consume the phone's performance. So it's just like there's no side effect on your phone performance. So all you need to do is to be logging in just like normal application you stored on your phone. Then you claim the reward at each block. So you see there's free mining in perpetuity. So it's a joint experiential project of several countries. So a lot of people have access to mine this coin. So that is why it's a good opportunity that everybody dive in now. So its success depends on the number of and effort of the community team. So the number of earnings, the volume of your utilization of this project is dependent on your ability to participate in these validations that you need to carry out on this particular application. So it's just an amazing one, guys. I don't actually want to make this video long, but you can also go to this about section. So when you come to this about, you can be able to see that they have Telegram, Twitter rather. So you can actually copy this, go to Twitter and search for this project and join there. So you can also come to wallet, which is where we are. So now, how do you claim your reward? Every single moment that this block is filled, you come to this place and click on this receive. So let me just do it so that you will see how it's going to be. So you can see I just claim now and extra CBDC has been added. So I'll wait for another block to actually top up, then I'll come back and claim again. So that is all I do. Once you register, you need to click here. You need to click on this to start mining. So immediately you register, tap here or here to start mining. Ensure that this particular miner is rotating like this. Once it's rotating, then expect to be redeeming your reward every single moment that this block is full. So that is how everything works, guys. That's basically how everything works. You don't really need to be turning it on. All you need is to be claiming your reward, just like the way we did during the time we were mining core. So it's just a similar project that we trust it's going to change a lot of people's life. So that is all I have to show you concerning this project. Also, if you want to get opportunities that will give you access to start any steady income while you also participate in all these airdrop projects, you can also hit my DM and I will show you the projects that have been working for me for the past few months and they are currently paying awesomely. So all you need to do is to join the group in the description of this video after registering on this website using my referral link. Then you get started to mine this coin for yourself. So guys, subscribe to my channel and also support this move while we expect more offers to come, so that you will not be able to miss out of any project or event that might actually come up with bigger and huge reward with time, guys. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like the video, guys, if it has added value to you. Thank you for watching.